Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating basics so you don't chase ghosts. First, make sure your browser or the Google Sheets app is updated. Outdated clients cause UI hangs. Once done, test the network, reload the sheet, and open in an incognito window to rule out cookies or cached scripts. Then temporarily disable extensions, especially ad blockers or script managers, because they often inject delays. These checks remove common external causes and let you proceed to sheet-specific fixes confidently. You now target internal sheet issues that freeze the interface. First, scan for heavy items, array formulas, import functions, excessive conditional formatting, or volatile functions like rand and now. They trigger constant recalculation. Once done, create a copy of the file with file, make a copy and test changes there, which isolates collaborator-driven sync problems. Also open file settings and reduce recalculation frequency or disable iterative calculations to curb CPU spikes. These steps narrow down, you complete recovery with final repairs and a fallback plan. If issues persist, clear cache, switch browsers or devices, and restart. This fixes lingering client state problems. If the file looks corrupted, export key data to CSV or Excel, then rebuild a minimal sheet incrementally to identify the offending element. Make sure to check Google Workspace status for platform outages. If nothing else works, contact Google support with a copy of the sheet and your troubleshooting steps. They can inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.